everyone, welcome to the Ignited Minds Expo 2021. My name is Jiyaan Doshi and I'm here with an amazing useful project based on Lego. So my project name is Water Cleaning Machine. I know you want to see it, so here it is. Boom. So this is a water cleaning bot. So the main motto of the water cleaning bot is to help and reduce water pollution. And it works on batteries, that is rechargeable, so you can recharge it anytime, anywhere as you want, not in the water. This is made up of Lego bricks and distance sensors and motors and smart hub. So the pincer when the distance sensor sense any type of water polluted things inside the water, so it commands the pincer to open and then pick up the trash and put it inside the storage can, and the pincer closes the storage can, and then it stays closed. When the sensor says I have detected some trash, open, takes it and close. So I know you have thought that what is a distance sensor, what is a smart hub. So I have the perfect explanation for you. So I have a little bit of a demonstration for you. This animation. So the boat goes, it picks up the trash and then it goes to the shore. But if it's enough trash, then only. So when it picks up enough trash for the storage can in here, then it will go up and then remove the trash, and then it will go back in, and there will be a recyclable bin and there will be a non-recyclable bin, so that dustbin. So when the trash comes, just separate the trash and put it inside the bins. And in the future we will launch this product into reality if we have enough funds. So we will be able to see the animals healthy and fine, and we will keep the water clean. Goodbye.